Hey guys, how are you? My name Ryan, and in this video, I came to talk about 16,000 TEDS plans, and if you are interested in purchasing this product, stay with me until the end of this video, because I will tell you everything you need to know so that you don't have regrets and heartache. Head in the future. TEDS Woodworking is really one of those products that we keep thinking, if all products were like this one. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans. Even if you don't have a big workshop or expensive tools. Each of the 16,000 projects is detailed enough to leave nothing to guesswork, yet simple enough for beginners. 1. Step-by-step instructions. You get detailed projects with step-by-step, A to Z instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy and super fun. 2. Cut and materials list. You get exact cutting and materials list for every project. 3. Detailed schemes. With sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan, there's simply no guesswork involved. The level of details makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. 4. Views from all angles. You get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. 5. Suitable for beginners and professionals. We've got plans that cover all levels of skill and competence. You do not need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use our plans. You are receiving instant access to all 16,000 projects with step-by-step details, plans, cut and materials list and more. Free monthly lifetime plans, no recurring fees or other charges. A treasure trove of in-depth woodworking tutorials and training. DWG and CAD plan viewer so you can edit and modify your plans. 150 premium woodworking videos covering a wide range of topics, hosted by the master craftsman. How to start a woodworking business book, learn how to make money selling your custom woodworking. Complete woodworking guides, 200 plus pages of tips and tricks with detailed drawings and diagrams. If you had any doubts about this product, forget about this and the best woodworking product you will have on the internet for only $67. Take advantage of today's super promotion. Good luck on your new Tedswoodworking journey. Link in video description.